Picture this, snapping photos and videos that leap out of your screen into a full-blown 3D world, all thanks to Samsung's innovative Galaxy XR headset. It's a game-changer for immersive experiences, but oh boy, has the journey been bumpy. Dive in with me as we unravel the latest twists in Samsung's camera assistant app updates, and trust me, there's plenty to spark your curiosity. Just a few weeks back, Samsung surprised us by refreshing its camera assistant app for Galaxy smartphones. They introduced a cool new tool called 3D Capture, designed specifically for creating spatial photos and videos. Think of it like capturing real-life scenes in a way that lets you step right into them via virtual reality. For instance, imagine photographing a family picnic and then reliving it in 3D through the Galaxy XR headset. You could walk around the scene, zoom in on details, or even interact with the elements in ways that traditional 2D snaps just can't match. This feature was tailor-made to pair with the Galaxy XR, enhancing the VR adventure. But here's where it gets interesting, and a tad confusing for fans. At the time, the Galaxy XR wasn't officially available yet. So, Samsung quickly followed up with another app update that yanked the 3D capture feature right out. It seems like it slipped through the cracks prematurely, a classic case of an overeager rollout. Fast forward to this week, Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy XR headset, and with it comes redemption for 3D capture. They've pushed out a fresh update to the Camera Assistant app, version 4.0.00.6, which restores the feature. According to the update notes, it's now live on select high-end models like the Galaxy S25, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Fold 7. For those new to this, these are Samsung's flagship smartphones packed with advanced cameras and processors that make 3D capture possible. It's not just any phone, it's about having the horsepower to handle spatial imaging without lag or glitches. And this is the part most people miss: updating the app is a breeze, especially if you're eager to try it out. Head over to the Galaxy Store on your device, tap that hamburger menu icon in the top left corner, choose Updates, and either hit Update All or the specific Update button next to Camera Assistant. Once done, you'll be ready to experiment with capturing those mind-bending 3D moments. As an example, you might start by filming a simple object like a coffee mug and then viewing it in the headset to see how it appears from every angle. It's like bringing a slice of reality into the virtual world. Now, here's a point that might raise some eyebrows and stir up debate. The 3D capture feature is currently limited to just two regions, Korea and the US. Given that the Galaxy XR headset is also only available there right now, it makes sense practically. But is this a smart move, or does it feel exclusionary? Some might argue it's about testing the waters and ensuring smooth rollouts, while others could see it as Samsung playing favorites with global fans. What do you think? Should cutting-edge features like this be rolled out worldwide from day one, or is a phased approach better to iron out kinks? And speaking of the early release slip-up, does that reflect poorly on Samsung's planning, or is it just the price of innovation in a fast-paced tech world? In wrapping this up, let's not forget the person behind the story, Abid Iqbal Sheikh, our talented writer here at Sam Mobile. Abid's a computer science was from Hyderabad, India, with a passion for cars and gadgets. His journey into tech journalism started back in 2017 at MySmartPrice, where he crafted news, guides, and reviews on everything from smartphones to smart homes. Since then, he's lent his expertise to spots like 91 Mobiles, Apple, and Onsatigo before joining us. His first Samsung device? The iconic Galaxy S2, talk about a loyal fan. What are your thoughts? Do you see 3D capture as the future of photography, or is VR overhyped? Agree with the regional rollout, or think Samsung should go global sooner? Drop your opinions in the comments, I'd love to hear them and maybe even discuss a counterpoint or two.